State Archimedes principle. Archimedes' principle states that an object immersed in a fluid experiences a buoyant force that is equal in magnitude to the force of gravity on the displaced fluid. The perfect answer for this particular question would be: any weight floating or immersed in a liquid is acted upon by a buoyant force equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. This force acts through the center of buoyancy of the displaced liquid. What is limiting friction? The maximum friction that can be generated between two static surfaces in contact with each other is what we call a limiting friction. Once a force applied to the two surfaces exceeds the limiting friction, motion will occur. For two dry surfaces, the limiting friction is a product of the normal reaction force and the coefficient of limiting friction. The perfect answer for this particular question would be: when an object is sliding over another object, frictional force is developed in the contact surface. This friction force creates a resistance. The maximum value of this particular frictional force is called the limiting friction. What are manometers? A manometer is a device to measure pressure. The perfect answer for this particular question would be: they are pressure measuring devices for liquids. To measure the pressure in a point in the liquid, manometer balances a liquid column.